Armando. This is Ryan with Trendlizard.com. Happy holidays. I hope you're doing well. Thanks for sending me the email. I've got looks like two tickers here to look at for you. The first one is going to be XME, which is the S&P Metals and Mining ETF. This is one we've looked at before, so this is an update, and I can see why you're very interested in it. It has been very bullish lately, and it continues to move higher. So we'll take a close look. Again, we're going to start back at its inception just to get a little bit of perspective for it. It started in 2006, but since 2008 into the 2016 low, it's been in a really large downtrend. The most notable piece of that downtrend is this decline off the 2011 high into the 2016 low. The reason I'm so interested in it is because it looks like one big counter trend move, especially after what we've seen in 2016. Counter trend moves play out in three waves, and that's exactly how this move played out off the 2011 high. And the fact that we're getting a move above 30 now here late in 2016 is a really good sign that this is in fact a counter trend move, and that the trend has turned up, and that there's a ton of upside potential from here. So that's kind of the foundation of what we're working with. Let's zoom in a little bit. This takes a look a little bit closer at that 2011 to 2016 decline. Again, it looks like a counter trend move. I had indicated last time we talked that it needed to move above 31 to really have a really solid confirmation that this was in fact a counter trend move, and that's exactly what it's done since then. So this looks like the sky's the limit. Looks like it could continue much higher from here. So that's very bullish stuff. So let's zoom in on the 2016 advance now. It is a very trendy move. We got a trendy move from January into the late April high here. From there, a small pullback, and the uptrend resumed. I think this was around the last time I updated for you, or it might have been somewhere in this area. But anyway, it had a counter trend pullback that proved temporary, and prices turned higher to new highs once again. So higher prices have to be expected on XME as long as it's trading above $27.50. So if you own it, this looks great. If you don't, you can buy it with a stop at $27.50, and higher prices should be expected as long as it's trading above that level. And again, overall, looks like a very bullish pattern here that can continue significantly higher. At this point, it's impossible to put a target on the overall advance, but it does look like something very significant. It looks like this down move is over, and that opens the door for a really big up move here. So I hope that's helpful. I will get to UUP for you in just a moment. Thanks, Armando.